बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ये है आवाज़ हिंदुस्तान की, ये आवाज़ दुनिया के मज़लूम इंसानों की, जो लेडी बारबरा तैयब अली is talking to me live. I am in London and she is in Chennai. Today is 23/07/2020. Listen to her what she says. Thank you. अभी listen करें. The time today is 23/7/2020. London time is around 2 o'clock. And ये सुनिए क्या कहती हैं.
Rest of the world is playing jokes. They're all playing the jokes with every public life.
Barbara, can you
For them, it's just
can
another
can
life.
you
They
can
are
you
thinking
can you
every life is our life.
can you just tell me, for my audience, obviously I know from where you are, can you just introduce, because I am recording your call. You're calling from India, Chennai, is it
Oh,
correct?
sure, with pleasure.
So you are calling from India, Chennai.
I'm calling from Chennai. Good evening to all of you.
Okay. And can I ask you, please give your brief introduction, please.
Yeah. I am Dr. Barbara Tayeb Ali.
Okay.
And I am now promoted as the National President for Indian National Organization of Human Rights.
Very good. And who has nominated you? Who has
National President, Mr. Pradeep Chavan,
Okay.
the ex-advisor for Mr. Manmohan Singh.
Okay.
His wife, Mrs. Chavan, is the current advisor for our Prime Minister of India, Mr. Modi.
Okay. And she has nominated you.
But no. I didn't take nomination from her because she is Modi's chamcha.
Okay.
I have been nominated by Mr. Pradeep, who's the congressman.
Okay, fine.
And he was the ex-advisor for Mr. Manmohan Singh.
Yes, fine. I got it. And also my...
Modi and me, we are far apart because I consider Modi an animal more than a human being.
Oh my God. So what is going to happen?
Even an animal...
People say, people believe...
Even an animal...
Yes.
Listen to me, please. Even an animal has got rights. It's called animal rights.
Right.
We human beings are supposed to be a privileged lot with human rights. But who on earth is giving us this due credit? Nobody. Only Mr. Zia or maybe Mrs. Dr. Barbara Tayeb Ali and only Mr. Zia's team. Only you team players are fighting for the entire world's human rights. We are their voices, and our voices are very terrible. People dread my name. I'm not afraid. They say, oh, human rights, you're supposed to be soft, you're supposed to be God, you're supposed to be saintly. No way. When it comes to following the rules and law of Moses, I apply it. In terrible cases where these people have been more than beasts, even the wild beast will never go back. Once it has attacked this animal, it will leave it. Let it bleed to death. It has taken a share of it and gone. But these days in our human beings, they're worst. They're devilish beasts. Only 10% of left off. Please help me. Continue to support me because India is a very bad situation at the hand of a merciless, ruthless leader called Modi. Please help us. I don't know about Pakistan so much, but from what I've been watching the news, hearing the news, and getting feelers, Pakistan is also in a very bad situation. Why? The Pakistanis were our Indians, and we are still their Indians. It's just because the line was drawn and a partition made that has separated both of us, Pakistanis and Indians. Bottom line, we are Indians.
Ji.
Thank you so much, Zia.
The bottom line is whether we are Indian or we are Pakistanis,
human beings.
we are human beings first. That's the bottom line.
Yes.
And I totally agree with you
Yes.
to that extent. We should care for the after the partition, the India became a secular
Yes.
state on paper, but in practice it is nothing.
Correct.
It is nothing. And after the partition, India claims that it is the largest democracy in the world, but I do not see any democracy, neither in West even, in true letter and spirit. I am honest with you.
It's a big joke.
Forget about
It's a
India.
big joke.
There is no democracy even in England where I'm sitting now. England, they say, is the mother of democracy and the largest democracy in India. It is
Look
rubbish.
in USA what is happening.
Let me finish now.
What is happening in USA?
Yes. I'm coming to it. Let me finish and then I will give you a chance. Now,
Yes, please.
now the thing is, it is only in paper. For the last 60, 70 years, Pakistan says it is ruled by the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, which is not a factual position in Pakistan. It is only in paper.
Yes.
It is not in practice, right? I am not against any followers of any religion or any caste or any color. India, the
We
Gandhi.
are free thinkers. We are free thinkers. Yes.
And the caste system is from Indian tradition. It must be abolished, and it has not been abolished. Still,
It is still full in the villages,
Yes.
full in the rural areas. Oh my God, it's horrible caste system.
now forget about rural area of India. Even Modi is the pioneer of caste
He's
system.
terrible.
Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
now let's come to the point. Even in Pakistan and also India, obviously the people of Pakistan, whether they follow Muslim religion, or the people of India, majority, whether they follow any other religion. The religion
Yes.
is a matter of freedom. You can follow any religion. But you have no right
Yes.
to hate the followers of other religion. Whether you are in India
You have
or
no right. It is clear in the
Yes.
Constitution of India.
constitutionally, even as a human being, we should not hate the followers of other religion, even if they do not follow the
Yes.
religion which me and you follow. That's a different issue. Now,
Correct.
matter of religion is between the creator and the
Personal.
creation. Right? So now
It is personal.
personal
Nobody's
and it is-
business but yours.
yes, it is between the creation and creator, whosoever people
Yes.
think. And
Yes.
as a human
Yes.
being, I am also not a scholar of Islam, and I am not preaching religion, neither me nor you maybe. And but at the same time, we respect the followers of each and every religion living anywhere in the world.
I am very lucky that I have gone through all the religious books, including Jainism, Sikhism, you name it. I'll frame the verses for you because I took it as a hobby when I went to Bahrain, and I was being persecuted by the local Bahrainis. I changed 36 jobs in 6 months, a record-breaking incident. And when I went into UAE, I found that the local Arabs were 10% more respectable and gave little privileges to women. Otherwise, I was shocked that being near the Holy Land and our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, his land, they should have been better. But they are the worst pagans. I can go public, Zia. I stayed there 25 years in the UAE. And I stayed in Bahrain 10 years. years. 35 years of mine I spent outside India. I left India at the age of 22. And yet I've come back to India to give back what my Indians missed and are still missing. Blood is thicker than water.
I agree.
If you do charity, do it straight from home. Charity begins at home. I've never seen poor anywhere in the world except India, Pakistan, Sudan, even Philippines. A little amount of them, few of them are poor.
Bangladesh.
Otherwise, everyone is satisfied and well up.
Bangladesh.
Yes.
Yes.
Bangladesh is far better. Mumtaz is doing a very good job there. Far better. West Bengal, you just go to West Bengal and see.
How can we get rid of corrupt rulers from India, Pakistan, or England, or America? Do you have any suggestions?
We have to rise up. Yes, we have to rise up with one voice. And we should not leave this. We should hold international conferences, call in the higher-ups, let them come, and we should batter them with our words, with our voice. We are the voice of those who are really being, battered up, Let them take their own medicine. We don't need to use physical force. Our voices are more than enough. If we jointly hold an international conference, World Peace Conference, it'll be wonderful. They may be
जी, ये थी बाबरा तैयब अली, अपनी राय दे दी थी पार्ट 1 में। पार्ट 2 सिलसिला यहीं से शुरू करूँगा जहाँ छोड़ रहा हूँ। तकरीबन 12 मिनट की रिकॉर्डिंग हो चुकी है। पार्ट 2 भी कोई 8-10 मिनट की होगी और फिर इसको हम यूट्यूब चैनल पे लगाएंगे। रोहिल अकबर साहब से मेरी दरख्वास्त है कि इसको डाउनलोड करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़। और इसके बाद मैं दूसरी भेज रहा हूँ। रोहिल अकबर साहब, अल्लाह हाफिज़। अल्लाह आपका हामी